In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the user password in Google Workspace. Let's dive right in and tackle this important task step by step. First off, you need to head over to Google Workspace. This can easily be done by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Once there, look for the admin console, which is the central hub for managing everything related to your business's Google Workspace. Now, when you click on the admin console, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your business email to access this console, as it ensures you have the adequate permissions to make administrative changes. As you enter your credentials, make sure to double check for any typos to avoid login issues. Once you're logged in successfully, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on it and a series of apps will unveil themselves. Among these, you want to find and select the admin icon. It's pretty straightforward, as it features a gear icon symbolizing settings. After clicking on the admin icon, your next destination is the directory. This is where all user-related management happens, including the reset we are about to perform. So click on directory, and then in the newly opened panel, look for the users option. Click on users to see a comprehensive list of accounts associated with your organization. Next, we're going to get more specific. If you know the account whose password you need to reset, scroll through the list or use the search function for quicker access. Once you find the user, click on their name. This will open up a new set of options that pertain to that particular user. Now look for the option that says reset password and click on it. This functionality is specifically there to help you manage credentials securely. After you've clicked there, you'll be given a create password option. Click on this to initiate the process of setting a new password. You'll see a field to type in the new password. Be mindful here to create a strong password, one that's both complex and memorable. Make sure it aligns with your organization's security policies, often requiring a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering the new password, take a moment to check it for any typing errors, because accuracy is crucial here. Once satisfied, your final step is to simply click on the reset button. This action finalizes the password update, ensuring the user can access their account with the new credentials. And there you have it, you've successfully reset a user's password in Google Workspace. Remember, regular password updates and adhering to security protocols are key to maintaining a safe digital environment. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and see you next time for more helpful guides.